I am a sports writer, and I love my job because I love sports. But I have a little secret. Every Monday night, I watch my favorite TV show. If the telephone rings, I don't answer it. I tell my friends that I am watching Monday Night Football. But that isn't true. Sometimes, my favorite show is more exciting than Monday Night Football. Here is my secret: on Monday nights, I watch Antiques Roadshow. It is a show about antiques and collections. 14 million people watch it every week. The show is simple. The guests on the show are real people. The guests bring in old art, furniture, books, toys, and more. First, the guests tell the experts about their items. Then, the experts talk about the items. Finally, the experts say how much the items are worth. You get a lot of information. One woman. Veronica had an old painting. Veronica's grandmother got the picture for free in 1925. The expert looked at Veronica's picture carefully and said, "Thomas Cole is the artist. Cole painted this around 1835. Your painting is worth about $125,000. Veronica was very surprised. She told the expert, "Wow. That's a lot of money. But I don't care about the money. The painting has a lot of sentimental value. I want Antiques Roadshow to visit my city. I can't wait. I have a baseball signed by Babe Ruth and Jackie Robinson in the 1940s. It's in perfect condition. I also have a baseball card collection. I keep it in a box under my bed. The ball and the cards have sentimental value. My father gave them to me. But I don't really like to play or watch baseball. Maybe they're worth a lot of money." And you? Are you ready? Look carefully around your home. You might have something very valuable.